Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Stock Market Daily Update. I'm Aditya from Mostly Bearish. Today on my Telegram channel, I had updated about 4 main stocks: DBL, Suntech, Reliance Industries and Reliance Industries Infrastructure Limited. Make sure you join the Telegram channel. The link is in the description if you don't want to miss out on any live updates that I put up there. So let's get into today's analysis. So today the first stock that I spoke of was DBL. This was done before the pre-market itself. I had read a news about this stock which had bagged a big project. So I expected an up move in this stock. But when the pre-market rates came out, the stock was already discounted and was almost 10.58% higher. So I waited for this, and mainly after the whole process and after the whole consolidation here, if you see these prices, I expected either a breakout on the top side or breakdown. But I was of the view that there might be a breakout, so I did not want to take any trade on the breakdown side. But throughout the day, if you see, the stock from here broke down and came to lower levels. I did not enter this stock mainly because I had a view that there might be a breakout on the top side. The second stock that we were looking at was Suntech, right? So what I expected was there is consolidation right now and there might be a breakout on this. I also updated there might be a breakdown also, but I had a view that there will be a breakout and I wanted to take a longer position as the breakdown would have been extremely limited. So let's see what happened. My expectation was a breakout from these levels, but at this candle here, there was a breakdown. I had updated that I do not want to, even though there is a breakdown, I do not want to trade this, mainly because I thought that there might be a upside move in this stock. So I did not take any trades again. But if you see what happened here in this candle, the prices went back in range. So I was glad I did not take a trade on this. This is just to update what happens on the Telegram channel and how I update things and how I look at stocks. So now let's get to Reliance Industries. Reliance Industries was a stock that we were watching since yesterday. Yesterday there was a news on Reliance. I had expected Reliance to do really well, mainly because if there is a breakout over 2200 levels, there might be a great upside to this stock. The previous high or all-time high of Reliance was 2198.80. So when those were taken out, I had taken long positions. And these were ultra short trades, and this was all done on 1 minute. These were scalping trades. The next 2 to 3 minutes, I had exited the stock also, mainly because it was a fresh high and I knew that it is going to give an upside. I had exited. All the details were given. Again, the second scalp was when these highs were taken out. When it was approaching towards these highs, I had taken a long position again where the stop losses were here. And as soon as it started making new highs, I started exiting the stock. So somewhere averaging at these levels around, I had exited the stock also. Post which the main update was there might be some kind of consolidation in this stock before any up move starts. So if you see here, there was a great consolidation somewhere like this. This was a sideways consolidation. On the breakout, if you see this candle tested the resistance, and since then there was a great up move in this stock. Now I want to also update that I did not catch this up move because I was of the view that Reliance is going to go up slowly and even the retracement will be slow. But at the same time, I was looking at RIIL, which was comparatively more aggressive. If you see the first day move, it was more than 10%, and after that it consolidated. During these levels, I had updated that the timing may differ, but then there might be a more aggressive move on RIL, whereas compared to Reliance. That's what happened at these levels here, where if you see here, that Reliance started the up move already, but RIL did not. So when I saw that this candle was building, I had taken entries here with lows as the stop loss. The expectation was that it will reach high of the day at least, and post it might break out. At 431, I exited 75%, and the rest I exited at market order, which was executed somewhere around 428. The main reason was that I saw Reliance starting to fall. This would have taken a toll on RIL, which it did. If you see this candle here, there was a huge fall. So I got my exits right. If I stayed anywhere longer, I would have missed out almost so much of my potential gains. I would have exited here for sure, mainly because of the big candle, but the main analysis was that Reliance started falling at the same time, and I exited RIL as well. I hope today's analysis is clear why I was looking at Reliance Industries and how I compared it to RIL and how trades were taken. Even though I have not taken any trades on DBL and Suntech, the main reason was it went against my view and I was not comfortable taking short positions when the whole market was going long. Make sure you subscribe to Mostly Bearish and join the Telegram channel if you don't want to miss out on any updates from my side. Thank you so much for watching.